Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can customize always on display on this smartphone. So at the first you have to go for the settings, then find display and go for the ambient display. It's right here. Next we got here the couple of the options. As you can see, currently it looks like that. It looks like that, right? So when you want to change it, we can make it on a few times. For the first, when to show, we can go for the schedule or the all day. When you go for the schedule, we have to set the from 2 hours, but I always use it as all day. Here we can also display the contextual info, fingerprint icon, so you have to decide what you want to get. I'm going to disable both of them. Here we can also display messages. For example, hey guys, hey boys. Click save. Then when you lock screen, you will get these messages right here. It's right here, hey boys, as you can see. And when we go forward, we can also show notifications on our screen. And when you go for the horizontal light, here we can change, the lightning edges when you receive notifications. And that's all. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.